Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily edit notification settings on Reddit application. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, open up the Reddit application, and once you're on this page you'll have to tap on inbox on the bottom right corner and it will take you to this page. And once you're on this page you'll have to tap on three dots on the top right corner next to your profile like this, and on the bottom you'll be able to find an option of edit notification settings. You'll have to tap on it, and right on this page you'll be able to find all the notifications that you get on Reddit application. For example, if you want to turn off private messages notification, you can turn this off, and if you want to turn off message notifications, you can turn this one off. Similarly, if you want to turn off notifications for new followers, you can tap on turn off this one, and that's how you can easily turn off or easily change notification settings on Reddit application. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit